Okay, Token 2049 is around the corner, so this is what you need to do in order to make it a great event for yourself. Set yourself a goal. I can't stress how important that is. If you don't set yourself a goal, all of this that you can see here, all the steps, they're basically useless. The way that I do this, I align how many leads do I want to bring from the conference, how many conversations, how many, and it's not just like, oh, hi, let's just exchange telegrams, that's it. You need to align on good qualified leads that have a need, and then you just take that number, let's say it's like 200, you just split 200 by how many days you have at Singapore, which will give you your daily target of leads, and then just split it by the amount of side events that you're having it. So every time when you go to a new side event, you know, okay, my personal goal, let's say getting 5 leads at this side event. The moment when I get 5 leads here, I can either continue, I can go to a different side event. That's basically how I do conferences. And then in order to do it better, one, just find the good side events, and this is the link that you can access. You can see it in the description. On Thursday, so in 2 days, I'm gonna do a video about which side events are great at Token 2049 and which ones you can skip. So wait for that video, put yourself a bell, subscribe for the channel in case you are not, send it to the friend, and you will find more value just going through different side events in that video. At the same time, if you want to sign up for all side events automatically without wasting 3 hours just typing in the same information over and over again in Luma, just go to Enrich.io and request a demo from us, or just message me at Telegram. I'm gonna show you how we can sign you up basically in 10 minutes through our Telegram bot. Remember that amount of side events doesn't really matter, the quality of them matters, and sometimes you think that one event is going to be great, it looks great on the surface, and then you go there and it appears to be shit. So it's always good to have multiple side events happening at the same time, so you have a second plan. Now join different communities, so you can see other people that are attending that event, you can see maybe some friends, maybe some prospects, or you can just use attendees of those groups to prospect them, to align on the meetings with them if you don't have Enrich. You can also type in KWB, or in this use case just type in token, or I've seen people just doing this Token 2049 or SG or Singapore in the Telegram search, and this will find you all the people that have indicated this as their name, which means that they're going to be there, which gives you another conversation opener. And you can also find this with your partners. So just find in all of your groups, let's say you have 100 groups with whom you didn't have a contact for the last 6 months, and you can easily filter for that in Enrich, and then just send them a template message to say, hi, you know, we're going to be in Singapore, let's talk about XYZ. Very easy, very simple. You can also get a list of people that are going to Singapore and then message them directly, and then you can already filter this list to say, hey, I want founders of pre-TG projects that have some traction, that have some funding, and there's going to be a list of 50 founders from our 4,000 people that are going to be in Token 2049. You can do this again in Enrich. You don't have Enrich, you know my name, you know my Telegram contact, you know our website. You can just find all that information there. Soon we're going to be preparing just a list of companies. Like there's going to be, I think, around 1,000 companies that are going to be in Singapore, so you will see the company list as well. Just message me because we don't have it yet. And the last one, yeah, wait for the side event video, because the most important thing is going to be you going to the important side events. And then again, it's going to be all useless if you don't know how many leads you want to bring in, because if you know your goal, even without all of this, there is a chance that you can hit your goal if you just like work really hard. Really, all of these points and all of these steps are here to make sure that you get here. That's basically it. If you like the video, if you're going to Singapore, give it a like, give it a shout out, send it to your friends, send it within your company to other people that are going to be in Singapore. Maybe they don't know this, because this is all pretty basic, but maybe they don't know this. Maybe they know all of this, but they see this idea and they're like, oh wow, I never really did it. And then they do it, and then, you know, they feel super happy and they feel grateful to you because you shared important and valuable information with them. So do good things, spread the word. Subscribe to the channel. Again, if you want to message me, the link is in the description. If you want to join our community for sellers, you also have the link in the description. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.